Bushcraft Zombie here. Today I will be setting up a 10x10 Bushcraft Outfitters tarp in a low profile configuration. Tune in, Bushcraft Zombie. Okay, so first thing you got to do is take your tarp out. Spread your tarp out. We'll be using 4 to 5 stakes for this setup. Okay, well, I got my tarp spread out. I'm gonna grab 2 stakes and come to the where I want the back of my shelter to be for this setup. On the back, there's a corner tie out, a mid tie out, a middle tie out, and so on. What you want to do is take the one in from the corner, and same thing on the other side, in from the corner. So I'm gonna stake this down and be right back. Then you want to come to the front and stake down this corner and your other corner. Okay, after staking out your other 2 corners, you want to grab the middle and get a stick or a hiking pole and tie it up kind of like a pup tent. And here's the final product. Once up, give you a little walk around. A little view from inside. If you look in the back, you can see those 2 corners be flipped under. It's a good spot for your gear. Keep it off the ground. Walk around. Do a little profile back. 10x10 Bushcraft Outfitters in the tarp. This is one of my favorite configurations because of the low profile, and it's really room, and it offers a lot of cover from the elements. Front and the inside. Now it's a little below waist. It's about waist high. So there's plenty of room for you and your gear and your dog, if you have a dog. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit thumbs up if you like the video. Thanks again.